birthday to you. Mataeli, yes. Live in California, USA. Jare, congratulations to you. Where you wanna, where you so. I wanna let everyone know. I ask when you want to get to that ball. Then you went around. You're back bow.
Share the video, share the video. Share the video, please share the video. Share the video. I'm sorry, I'm looking for something. Share the video.
Happy birthday to you, Madam Helen Odesse, California. Si tienes una sartén, en 3 minutos tienes tuya de como de sartén. Buenísimos.
Nuevos Tuk Cracks con ingredientes 100% naturales. Tuk, naturalmente crackers.
You like video. Yes. Share the video. If you do not work in Orisi, Wayato, in Nabuama Wayagbe. Wayabokian. Me not you one. Even though come a magic tea raw. No, see belly fat. Una uponoriva upoloweku o upolo atiti abati oro no ya seti sie ko wani goto no ana disesi una bi o pia weku we polo emi we ya le egu e fie mi se ni mate asologun na soliviore una bi so anwo emi no te le ju gbegbe ni ori ladian se oni osi ena woni do kamo pe ani do kamo ko we egbe mi ri ona ro na no yo pe asi no yo ko si no yawe musi u de sesin ena woni do kamo pe ani do kamo ko no mi video na woni ogun me ga no you me video na wona go me ga ogun ro ni meti abati we casto no yo pe asi no yo ko si we na o pe a e ko e gedegbe emi we ya le yi we na so anwu kun na e ko we ni gedegbe ni emi we no te le yi ni no le yi ni oga ladian no aseti asologun asoli biore on a dit do come wa do wana call number me rewa do wana call ori secretary me rewa do wana ma me line no be an rewa ni wana try ori secretary me rewa wa with ye so if you do no go me wa ya to me na gbon ama wa gbe ogun na ni kiyan na ya si eko na emi infection ni but infection because I dey go to infection kini me na ya do tiya akama me wo infection ona enwe na pump of infection ikebe na ya afia ba of infection but when ona je ona me infection when na okpe an river no ni dey urire oda yo na hin atiti magic tea na hin. So, una opianoriwa uodayo, una opunoriwa uodayo atiti magiti. No yopiasi, no yokusi. Ade una onu de, du onu wen una ni de uti nomba me, igakama we. Binu aya mi o Binu ya sekinu je Ade we not try likpete we have made the result in oro. Ade una bi arioe una ni de una arioe la o ari tala wo pale le gbe o ga tala we lo ri opaju we po na gripa ya nebi egbe wo de na ni ijo mo we ya 5 bo aboe bi no gi rere wona se na hin ade we na odayo we na sekin we under 7 days we are beg we ekonote baba ni ogasi Really order your nia because he want order your degbe no re kin so bo because e want a tea no we casto na ga order your take 1 month okay sekinije so no roto na ni awe ga ope no re wana ni de re order your nia no make na re so bo no make na atitim abati no ge mi no fia normal we no come normal ogi kame normal ni wagume ga video na ni get dem na show yi ewa ni bi afia so okuare wa oporeba la wo we no gi mena we yo boni me mi awe we yo boni mi make mi na we yo boni we wa ko gume ga video na atiti magic tea atiti abati okpialoreva nekweye bababa nekweye no ekweye bababa oguna under 7 days ekwesine to draw the belly fat. This me, Prophet Atiti. My people, I come this evening, come tell you and say, tea and castle. Where you fit eat, if you get big belly before, your belly will go down. If you be man, where your thing go high for inside body because of your belly, if you drink your thing when you hide go come out, so that means they get power within the soul. Asologun, asolivere, asologun. Now this one I call for. I get castor and tea. If you get side effects, I not go do one. This one not be breast where they pump when you go get side effects, or nyash where they cut joint where you go get side effects. Now from the factory, now it come direct. So if you order under 7 days, you will see your belly, your fatness, the fatter and the fattest, the fattest and the fattest will drop back. All of them will offload. Order for your magic tea, Atiti Abati. Order for it. I place my number there. If you want to order for it, there is one number there. Secretary, my secretary number. Call my secretary. Order for it, Atiti Abati. It does not have effect. It not have effect when they do, no, because not be breast where they pump, not be nyash where they pump. So it not get effect. Order for it. It's a new discover. Order for your magic tea to dread the fat and the fattest. The fat and the fattest. If you will be man, your thing hide, you go fit draw the thing come out back. So that means the sologo, na sologo. Order for your magic tea. Order for your magic tea. Yes. Let me make a call. Hello, Jay. Hello. What? Where me on it? Okay. Where me the okay. Okay. Yes. Now me una brother, una prophet of the whole universe. I get my Abba magic tea. Where you go fit draw you under 7 days, go fit draw your belly fats. It go make your system of your body good. It's a new discover. And if you use it, if you be man, you be woman, where you want use them. If you know say you not get where you they go, now you feel use them. If you get where you they go, carry 2 trousers follow body, make them not go to laugh you for sister you shit for body. Because if they reduce the belly with fastness, that fat, if they reduce an urgent. So that you go know what you spend your money for. You go know what you take your money buy. Instead of what you buy for market. So if you want to order for it fast. So that you will draw your belly fat. Order for Atiti Magic Tea. My number is there. If you can't see me, call my secretary. There is one there. I put my number. My number is my secretary is there. Order for your Magic Tea. Place your order. This is the magic tea. Place your order. This is the magic tea. Place your order. It's 60 castle. The tea. And if you dey drink am, if you come here, I go tell you as you take use am. If you need am, I go tell you as you take use am. But one thing when I dey beg you, as the instruction wey they say me you take use am, you take use am o. The instruction make they say we take use am, you take use am. Not say because you want to draw your belly fat, you go drink am excess. If you go wake up for hospital because it dey purge. And if you dey drink am, you make sure say you get where you know they go anywhere. If you dey go outside, carry 2 trousers follow body because the thief will come out anytime, go come out anytime. So buy your magic tea. Buy your magic tea. So now I come for the one way not they speak broken and one speak my dialect. If you don't know work in Norisi, he married dope with live video, married dope with Webbo, Tana ever to advertising in a magic tea. O piano a quack bolo, a quack bolo. On I got win Ukuna. Ipedi a quay orisi. O piano we are even a quack bolo, yale, you will be. Neko, a code 2 minutes, a copy any 2 minutes. Ona iga nwukuna ikpede ne oga bege we emi ne kote emi ne aduri we ne koduri ni emi opia ni ne koni duri ni ogi so anwini wina no keke no ya asologun na so le bi ori asologun. So when I opia no reba una oku no reba una mi video na gumega no make na so pia bo no make na so kubo opia ri no oku ri no ne kwe polo to draw your belly fat, to draw the IV, to make it to make sense. On a infection, when I pump, all infection, it can be not pump, all infection. On now, where we mean able, in a way, no, so okay, able anywhere. David, no mano, in a guitar, David, no mano, in a guitar. When I open a river, no river near, all die for your magic tea, do devil near, when over root on anya, because if one opinion can't do for now. 100 carton, 100 carton with the tea, or 100 carton with the tea, or here do for now because you got do for okay when I agwale ban umio even no agwale say o say mi because you got the company now I explain in my hand you na do come away ge yan mo you na do fuel la dia need to have make it here women and make it sexy e kun ya make na flats ne pe mi e be le you we gbe ona bi awon èmi ní no le you we gbe oya awon ni na keke na Latiana we do come white am bo pe video gbe advert you and do publish e we mi kun ro no pe ya si reko no ko ya si reko ama mi was to be 2 hours or almost to be 3 hours o pe no give me video na o no give me video na u total down your una we una onu de u do de adeguma onu we do de o ye we iya we if you do we there's no any trial where he me where me no presented me where document where me ari kuna gege one commerce and we are me no present so we need the who order your my secretary number is there why my number is there adege na mare my phone who call the secretary number me or explain them I need the all come we no ya so boy I say the belly fats when we are up we are no river ni ya le you we gbe if le you we gbe when are you kuna weti na if we no le you we gbe ni egege ori ladian so when I up we are no river no river order for your magic tea na he egan is what's the tea to egan but on second we ye under 7 days we got me where ku we sine we got me where this sine so ena when in large ani do come ya wo no me no ma no matter o ma down so even no money me na na ena when do come aka mo ku e no ukuro na ya sieko e tiro na ya wo sieko e ko wedo every said infection e ke be na pump e we na pump e me said infection. Here we there is no arm trial we do down we have a work we no do down we ni wo we you know we can me wan agbo we egege ni aru le debo but emi opa no instruction ari enu e o kian lele ya what to know yewe manibi Nigeria magi what to know me. I want you to make my belly down. I want you to make my belly down. I want you to make my belly go down. And una wagario una wetina wa vitala we vale legbe but una le instruction akama we instruction akama we na le we set vitala we vale legbe but una man lele una won ss u vitala we vale legbe every side infection no yagbe emi da ya no ruwe no mi kina pe kwa emi da no ruwe ko ho ni uwe ko ho ni ave evi egbe no ya la wegbe oya pe ya kwa yeko ni ya de sesepo oya ga ya de wi fonu musene oya ga ya de patana musene owo aga sesi wo wana ga yore oga dupono musene imadan so we are when o no rewa una ga dupono musenu e wo no ga de no musenu e we na so ari apa majiti oga titina but say ma da ta le we we boya mo da fun e ti ebo because when we had this session when we had some ari women na when we had this session we had some ari women na we na we agelebi ku no wona so na o pe no rewa buy your magic tea e me no do present e we ge me uge 18 me do present wa need my secretary number rewa call my secretary number oga kama we no aya mi o e oga kama we no aya mi o e oga kama we no ya so wa we oga so wa we no ya kama we no lu e o when we get him to be me no ya kama we no lu e ro ya lu e o e ya wo go vasabi e ya do no go do at know the way my secretary tell you say me to use this magic tea now you tell use am and if you be man or you be woman you know say you no get where you dey go now you go drink am. If you get where they go, they take two trousers follow body, put one for inside bag, wear one. In case the thing will come out for you, put. Me for sit alawe, me for sit trousers take change am. So if you keep to instruction when my secretary give you, you'll see and say you not going to put for outside. So buy your magic tea, Atiti Abati. Atiti Abati. Buy your magic tea immediately. Place your order. It's very good for the stomach and to make you to sexy. If you be man, you drink and you go dey sexy to your wife. If you be woman, you drink and your husband will come to start to buy big tea for you. Now then you come see your husband not going to come up for us again. Your husband will go to stay for outside before 6 morning to evening. You know, go outside again because you don't sexy for her for inside. Your belly don't flat. That belly will make the man the fear before. You know, will make the woman the fear before the man the fear before you took get belly. You know, going to run for you again. He go stay with you now. Say, oh, my wife this sexy. He go to sexy you before you carry the whole money we get for inside and give the woman. You not gonna know again because he don't drink Atiti Abati. Well, any man when he drink Atiti Abati, any woman when he drink Atiti Abati, he go know say na tea he drink. He not get side infection. He not get side infection. Not be nyash when they pump when he get infection. Not be breast when they pump when he get infection. Order for your magic tea. I beg more can help me share this video. May reach my hand, may reach woman's hand. This is my magic tea. This is my magic tea. I get castor for it. I get the tea. I get the Lipton. For this one, I get the castor. I get the Lipton. I get the tea. So order tea. And if you dey drink am, I dey repeat am. Yes, I take the repeat am here every day. May you put your ear o. No go drink over excess for it o. If you drink over excess, you need to make it fast. You know they keep person, you do person anything. But they carry 2 trousers follow body, 2 trousers. Because maybe if you put 2 for the other one will not put 2, it go carry you riches. Listen to me very well. If you order for this tea, you drink am. If you to go outside, you get where they go. They carry 2 trousers follow body. If you shoot for one, the other one may for carry you riches. So buy your magic tea. Buy your magic tea at tea. Prophet Atiti Abati is good for man and woman to make you to sexy, to make you to me. Oh God, maybe they make you the record. You go the climber, you go the climber, you go the climber. Asologun, asole, asologun. So place your other tea. Order for your magic tea, order for your herbal tea. If you be my way there, the tea go add your belly. Your belly go add the tea. Not be saying you not sabi do the tea. Now your belly go add down. If you drink this tea, under 7 days, you go see and say the belly, you go the piece and the throw away, you go the shrimp and the throw away. Now I can't tell you now this evening, not be say I want to take for video. If you be blogger way there, carry the video, go put for your wall. Help me share the video. Now say, now me tell you something, help me share it. If you like, you share it. If you like, you not share it. But come and try it. If you try, you will testify. You will tell you will introduce many people to it. Not be say I want to get back. Not be say I want to find una money. So if you need it, this tea, if you need them, I get the tea, I get the castor, I get the Lipton. If you need them, you order. You call me, or if you not see me for like, call my secretary number. My secretary could tell you. Yes. Hello. What? For Yagbe? Anahi. Go. Okay. Okay, now miss. Okay, oh money and miss. Later me have to work. Later me have me real video. Help go your camera. Yes. Now me una people. This I get my own magic tea when I say where you go make your body dey sexy. You go arrange your body. If you need them, place your order. My secretary number is there. Call my secretary. We explain it to you better. Not be say I can't joke. Not be say I dey play. It's good for man and woman. It dey clear everything for body. Any nonsense where you dey for inside the body where the enemy they say they come. It dey clear and the true way say not be there you they come. There enough for you. Come and try. Come and not be say come and buy it. And if you buy it, you go introduce many people to it. Come and place your order immediately. Come and place your order immediately. This advert that I'm doing, I'm not going to tell you in the live video. Is by tomorrow I will come out in the evening again. Maybe I will do more than 1 hour that time. But I want to just tell my people now, please share the video. Atiti Abati and Castle. I have 2 types of the Castle, 2 types. This is one of it. While the other one is, if I will not hear now. Yeah, call it with way. If I give you the magic tea, you try them, you use them, please. I dey tell you where now. People will use them now. They don't tell me now say they are better if they pepper them. Because now I can't tell now. I want to not use them the way they tell you now. Why not use them with the way they tell you now? So when they go eat now, they have their belly called the goods most now. If you eat this medicine, this tea, and this castle under 1 hour, now you go stay, you not go eat. So my secretary will explain it to you better. But place your order tea, order your tea. So thank you very much. It took me to go to wire fefe. Me not to wire it more, but to play with live video. No there, if you nido muyeki enari. Here where I'm a damn migi, I am not here. He say to me a TV castle. Neman no wama no pia seti asi no ko seti asi e ko no polo. We na o pia mi we no ya le you wegbe. We na o pia mi we no ya le you wegbe ori do ladian. E na do muere vi o ina we ni vi ya wo no mi no ma no mata ma vi agbon. E ma ena do hamu wa ya fe no gi ni de he secretary no ba mere wa ni uga tibe ina ma mu fungu ti secretary no ba me orewa e wono me secretary no ba me we no gume take ye ma bi ni ata we tagan so when I am secretary no ba alele deni ti alele aseti gume take o tage me because o mo no ene gbe no. So if you do not work in Orisi, on a redo hamuwa. So wa ni de atiti magiti ena he. Ime ti oge, ime cast oge, ime lift oge. When I up another way kabota yo, but maybe a secretary meseti ya miamia, eyere ya tamawe, una okya, una riyoe, una riyoe. Beno ya tamawe, nu ya riyoe, beno ya into, metobumana metobumeri line. Beni yaka ma onu yari ona ya won SS o ga itombla na pa won obu e di ti uri cast over anyway because we on we re si ya won peva o ya won peva we ti una won peva we ti oni mai kan o because beni yata ma wonu yari una we won peva una ma me kenuri una aro wa wo majowe is of a man una we won peva una eturi hoye warowa uwe gbe wan week rowa ipede rowa hello idavio hello gume gwana hi okay 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 money ama so if you do not go me ni takia bana he I was even no marketing me yana wo go me no ma yana ori oboye mi ogbani awuye yana ori oboye emi wota ogbani a owo no mu mi yo to ona mi no we ere ona gbase ju ona yowe yeke egbe ma we oke na leru mi a we na leru yan lenu mi a wota I was even no ma no wo go me no ma emi na gbon ama wa gbe niga attack yan ba imagine na two type no cast na two type no when I want under 7 days wa mi we kuwe ya sine ihin no ma o se ona mi we prophet titi abati e ti hin no ma wa we begere di secretary no ba me yiba o mo no hin no ma o mo no wa vati no ma e se ti am secretary so wa begere di secretary no ba me yiba but when I call him ina kama ide bizu call secretary no ba me o mo no me secretary no ba me we no tag e yiba we no go me tag e ni ata we tag. So ere do come wa imobogwa borrow languages but when you borrow English in or broken English we give me but any make no me wa gwaze emezenu wana atiti magiti or order for your atiti magiti under 7 days you withdraw the belly the fat the belly and the belly fats you withdraw all of them away. If you be man your thing go out for inside body because the thing belly they hide the thing for inside belly they hide your thing for inside belly. If you be man, place for your order atiti abati. This is the castor, this is the tea. So if you order for her under 7 days you go see and say your belly, your system of your body, it go good. If you be woman, you go see where your husband go outside, you know go the take for outside again because the belly where the woman get, you know the fear the man again because if you ever look the belly if you sleep for bed, you go say salobo I mean again. Wait till be all this one now. So if you want, you need that your belly big and you know say you get husband for house and your husband they complain say your husband not near you, now every time they complain, test attitude about tea. You go see and say your husband not going to come up for house again. You go see and say you go change to your wall for the house. So place an order for your magic tea. Order for your magic tea at to tea about tea and castle. So if you order for under 3 days, you drink and you know say na castle you drink. You know say na tea you drink. So it no get side infection. It no get side infection. As you dey drink this tea, if you be woman wey need pikin, so now the tea, if I give you the tea, it get other different castle. Other different castle when I put joiner for you, where you go dey drink. You know be this one you go dey drink that time. You know if they drink castle for slimness, they drink other one. When you drink, after you drink the tea for 7 days, you don't drink the tea for 7 days, it don't wash the stomach, you get cast away from there, start to eat. Under 3 months, you go that baby where you find, you go see her because now great if as this one be now, you want clean. As you drink and you wash them, but if you want drink that one, where you say be woman where they look for pikin, if you drink the tea for 7 days, the first time you never start to drink the castle, you first drink the tea, you go first pour the whole belly. Everything when they have for the belly go pour them away, then you start to eat that one. That castle different. If you want order for her, you go order for her. When you order for her, my secretary will tell you IB. For now, I'm going to end this show now. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Please help me to share the video. Make people to share, see this video so that they say you see better thing. You not tell people that kind of person no need the people. Make they forward. Me see better thing and now I say when I come tell my people, make they come order for her, make they come stay and say, no be match I did, no beside the tier match. And if you drink not drink an SS. Not drink an SS. If you drink an SS, carry 2 trousers follow body if you go outside. But if you know say you there for a house, you feel drink an SS, you go pour you know say that 1 week you want stay for house, drink as you like, you drink like proof. But if you go outside, now only 1 cup. Only 1 cup now you go drink. So you see this video, Mona help me share and I do well. I be Mona help me share and me reach my hand, me reach my hand. If you do not go me why to, even not my way. Imo bokpe we live video but when the kawa la jabe na jene na because of making iruleri on ni aya o. Ena we ka support to come wa we emiro no pe asi no ko asi. Uwa ni de e no be secretary me wa go place order obo ga kama we no ya so obo e. Oga kama we no lele if you no ya kin oga kama we. So wa ya kin we ya to.